I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Have your Roblox credentials and a smartphone with Google Authenticator installed. Open Roblox, sign in, and go to Settings, then Security to enable two-step verification. Select the Authenticator option rather than SMS because it's more secure and offline capable. Once you choose Authenticator, Roblox will display a QR code and a backup key. Make sure you can scan the code with your phone camera and note the backup key in case you lose access. Now link the apps. Open Google Authenticator, tap the plus sign, and choose Scan a QR code. Point your phone at the Roblox QR display. If your camera fails, tap Enter a setup key and type the backup key shown on Roblox. Once added, Authenticator generates a rotating 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Enter the current 6-digit code back on the Roblox verification prompt and submit. This verifies the sync. Make sure device time is accurate so codes match. Complete setup by confirming the code on Roblox and storing the backup recovery codes somewhere safe. Treat them like a password. Once done, log out and test signing and using a fresh Authenticator code to ensure everything works. If you ever lose your phone, use those backup codes or the saved key to re-add an Authenticator. If codes consistently fail, make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time and use the Authenticator app's time correction feature to resolve mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.